This is a switchboard demo, so we're going to just jump right in. First, just to let you know, Switchboard is a networked phone system app. It puts the user in complete control with unlimited simultaneous call sessions, whether for monitoring, activating functions, or networking, and it supports multiple personalities to your callers. That really means you can have multiple numbers or DIDs. It's got a library of functions, and users can create their own functions. So let's jump right in. I'm just going to make a call here. There's your multiple personalities. You can have a business number, which is a business call, personal call, and VIP call. So this person has 3 numbers. We just click on business call. And it's a demo, so it's kind of simulating that the call's already made. You just click on the call session and bingo, you get an example of a bunch of functions. You can record, listen in, put the music on hold. We just click on that and you select what music. Product pitch, so you can push the person you're speaking to listen to a pre-recorded product pitch, very useful. Transfer to different people in your company. Next agent, which is something with the call centers in a group. And background audio there. While you're speaking to someone, you can actually bring up some background audio, maybe a voicemail, so you could all listen to it together, which is kind of useful. Again, these are just examples of some of the functions. And I'm going to make another call now, another business call. And so you see you can have multiple call sessions. So we have 2 people, and we can do whatever we want with this call session. And just to show the multiple personalities or multiple numbers, I make a personal call, and it categorizes under a different heading, and maybe have different group of functions for personal calls. And this was what an incoming call would look like. And again, while the call is ringing, you can click and have your functions, or maybe this person leaving voicemail. That red text is the status of the call session, so this person's leaving a voicemail. And again, you can still control while they're leaving a voicemail. You can push them, maybe transfer them somewhere else, or whatever you'd like to do. What if we put Joe Smith here? We select product pitch, and then when the product pitch is complete, so they've listened to a product pitch, the Switchboard app lets me know by flashing product pitch complete. And maybe I end up deciding, speaking to the person, and maybe we have a conference, so we just click the mode at the top, and it turns into select. So I click on Joe Smith and Major Thomas, and we just click group at the top, and bingo, we have a group, and we can speak. So I can actually select what kind of conference. Separate conference would mean that I let them speak to each other, but I'm not on the call, although I could keep monitoring and keep doing other things with call sessions. And open conference means my network of people can actually see this conference happening on their Switchboard app and maybe decide to jump in if they'd like. So that's conferencing. And now let me show you some other categories. So we have my network at the top, conferences, those are conferences in my network, and public. So let me just show you what this is. So in my network, the yellow call session indicates a call within users in my network. They've given me permission. It's yellow, so just to indicate that it's not mine. But again, I can click, and there's networking features. So this person allowed me to do a few things there. Let's check conferences in my network. There's a funding discussion going on, and if I click on it, I was given permission to listen in, ask to join, or jump right in. And the public category there are call sessions by any Switchboard user that would like any other Switchboard user to listen in to maybe a public conference. So if we click on it, you'll see there's enter conference or ask a question. Again, this is for the entire Switchboard user community. Very useful in terms of promoting different services and products to other people. And that's pretty much an example of Switchboard in action. Again, there's our